Can you smell what Billy's cooking? Right. What we have here is a 2005 Cadillac STS that needs some front suspension bad. Welcome to another video with your boy Billy Clint. It's been a very long time. I've been doing a lot of things, but I don't want to bore you out with too much. We're gonna hop right into it. 2005 Cadillac STS. It has the 3.6 V6 motor. It has the 1 year only bull jive brake system, where I had to replace 3 of the 4 calipers. And unfortunately for me, or fortunately, I do have the 4th caliber, and I'm not putting it on yet. But I do got a donut back there. I'm not a cop, LOL. But so this is what we're doing. The front suspension, and right now what I did was y'all are gonna love this. What did I do? We went to my old buddies eBay, and got some front shocky docks. I don't know how they open, so I don't want to open it the wrong way. Yeah, I know. These my dailies. They kind of shiny. They got some reflective. I see it. But it is what it is, yo. Yeah, you like my hat. Green with the grain. My hair's still long. And I still bling. So, get used to it. 2005 Cadillac STS. We got some eBay suspensions. Because, we see the shock is there. We got him out of there. So what you got to use is an 18mm to get the ball joint loose. And up here you got 6 screws. You got 1 on the side right here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it was 5, not 6. 18mm. Now, for Mr. Wonderful right there, that was a big boy. That was the 15-16. It won't phase in. That's alright. So you had the 15-16 and the 18mm. Now I used the 10mm to bust these from right here just to give me some extra slack. At least I think, maybe not, I don't know. But I took them loose. Everything else I left in. Alright. Now we're here. So I went and rented me an old McPherson spring compressor from the local some part store. Do I know if I got it set up right here? No, I have no freaking idea, but I'm gonna find out. Alright. Over here was my lunch dessert. But what we got here is some grade A made in China's shocks. Now, are these the right ones? I don't know. say left or right? I don't see it. But forget all that. I ain't got time for that. I gotta get started. What I gotta do is I gotta knock this out, take this off, transfer that over there, tighten these up, take this loose, pop it over there. I can't hold it. I'll try to sit it down. What in the same Houston? That ain't cool. Alright, I finally got some juice back in my battery. But sorry, I done did both sides now. But y'all can get the reveal on how it's gonna look, cause I got no idea. I have no idea how it's gonna sit when I let this jack down. Whew. I'm a little nervous. The thing we can do is whew, drop. Well, let's see. Oh, I almost took myself out. Sitting good. Yeah, sits a little better. The front ain't completely dragging the ground no more.
Wasn't that low?
Yeah, them shocks was destroyed. Look, it turned over. Let's see if the liquid come out. It got a bounce on it now.
Mm-hmm.
I think it was that one, but you can see the liquid.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, these cars
I know this
supposed to have fast to them. It's that caddy ride.
I know one of them it was pouring out of. No, it was that one. It was this one. It's a lot better than what it was. But now, I got a tire to change. So I love y'all. Hit that subscribe button.
Your tire
I'm back
machine.
at it. Back at it. Love y'all. Alright. So, I got both the shocks changed. I got freeze plugs put up in the truck and a radiator. But on this, I got the 2 shocks changed, and I put a tire on the back. That was a monster. Tire machine broke in the middle of it. Ain't that something? The bead buster. But yeah, they wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. And yeah, I'm about to take it out for a ride. And if y'all like more stuff with Cadillacs, Corvettes, Mustangs, Dodges, Fords, hit that subscribe button with your boy, Billy Clint. And I'm out.